It's a place where community can be formed, where nature connection can happen. It's time for stillness and time for exploration, with sensitivity and kindness, led by a wonderful teacher.
Thank you. Everything Nana said, you summed it up beautifully. Yeah, I would say that experience and that opportunity to come together and to be in nature, but really in nature, and to have enough time in between beautifully led activities to explore and have your own experience of being outside. And that connection with all the women, it just seems to happen so organically. It does, and I think there's a real beauty in that, and that kindness, and testament to you and Lotte to facilitate and to kind of, without sounding too, but to hold that, but to allow us enough space in between to explore. I feel like I'm much more in tune with myself and got me out of my head, and that's really hard to get out your head.
For me, it was the day facing the west. I think I love the west. I find it much easier just to delve right down to the bottom of the ocean and to go on that walk in the darkness in the forest with the birds and the bats and the leaves and the teeny tiny glowworm in the palm of my hand in total darkness, and then to come back and share that the following day, a circle with joy and tears, and that was my favourite. I mean, that was the standout time.
Okay. What about you? Same. That, I mean, I know I didn't do the actual activity with you all, but coming together here and sharing your own story, and then having other people offer their wisdom and kindness. There was absolute kindness and beauty around that. I found that so moving, and wise, wonderful women. And to hear your experience in different ways from around people in that circle. That's absolutely the standout moment. I was really touched by that, and unusually, afterwards, I was speechless. I had to go and lie down. It doesn't happen very often, but it did there.